Move your blocks. Now, back to the front. And now we're going to use the blocks for a little bit of lift-up work from here. This time we'll do it without the strap also. Put your heel on the blocks and take your hands to your natural waists. Draw the navel in. Let's look straight ahead. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down. When you lift, you pull the hip joint back. Exhale, down. 3 more. Inhale, exhale, down. 2 more. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down. Last one, lift. Exhale, down. Change. Left leg comes up. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down. Inhale, hip joint back. Exhale, down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down. Press through the leg. Take it up. Bring it down. I think 2 more. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down. Last one, let's lift. Exhale, down. Off the blocks. Remove the blocks. You can try with the strap. You can try without the strap, your choice. Now we take the classic Utthita Hasta Padangusthasana. Strap. If you're doing the strap, lasso the foot. Hold. All right? I like the idea that we could potentially lasso the foot and swing it up to balance. We can keep the knee bent or straighten. Inhale, breathe in. Balance here or fold, your choice. 1, 2, 3, steady, 4, 5. Inhale, come up if you folded forward, and then exhale, let's go a little to the side. 1, 2, steady, 3, 4, 5, and back to the center. And then exhale, hands to the waist, balance, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, let's set it down. All right, you can try with the strap, without the strap. Up to you. All right, stepping on the strap if we're going to go for it. And then inhale, lift. All right, I want you to focus on strengthening the hamstring in the balance point here. So we straighten the leg, all right? Hold, you can lift, but I want it to be that the leg is lifting, not only the arms, all right? 1, 2, steady, 3, you can fold if you want, 4, 5, if you folded forward, inhale, come up, exhale, let's go out to the side, 1, good, 2, steady, 3, 4, 5, and back to the center, balance, release, hold, 1, 2, 3, almost there, 4, 5, exhale, let's set it down. All right, let's shake that off.